In this video, you are going to learn the method by which you can convert amount or number into words. This feature is very demanding by MS Office user. So what's the problem is? For your information, let me tell you that there is no inbuilt formula in Excel which can automatically convert or display your numerical value in words. You can check it right now if you can find any. MS Office user demanding this feature for a long time, but I don't know why Microsoft still has not considered introducing it in Excel. It seems they are not intended to do so. Anyway, what's the fix for this? There is always some quick fix for all the problems. To accomplish this task, we have two methods. One, by using VBA script coding, which is a temporary method. Why I am saying it a temporary, I will tell you later in this video. Second one is by using the add-ins, which is quite stable than VBA script coding. So first of all, we will know how we can do this task by using a VBA script, then we will learn about the add-ins. So let's take a look on first thing. To accomplish your task by VBA script coding, you need codes. To do that, open that desired Excel workbook in which you want to perform that number to word conversion task. After opening that workbook, press and hold the Alt key and then press the F11 key together on your keyboard. It will open a Microsoft Visual Basic coding window where you can find your open workbook on the left side panel. Select your workbook in the left side panel, then select Insert in the top ribbon menu. You will find the module option in it. Just click on it. So what it will do, it will add a module in your selected workbook. So if you have opened multiple workbooks, then mind your selection before clicking on the module. When you click on the module, it will open a blank window for VBA script code. Now open the text file where we have our code written. Copy the whole code from the file and paste it into the VBA script window. Select the file in the top menu and save your workbook as a macro enabled workbook, not the simple one, otherwise the VBA script won't work. Close the VBA script coding window. Now go to your workbook and select any desired cell and then type equal to spell number and select the cell which contains your number and close it, close the bracket, press enter. You will have your amount written in Word format. Let's talk about the temporary part. Why VBA is a temporary solution and it's to have some drawbacks. First of all, it will work on that particular workbook for which you have just added the module and paste the code. Now this means if you have opened multiple workbook along with the current one, then VBA script will work only for the active workbook. You need to add a separate module and paste the code again for each and every open workbook, which can become a tedious task. And second drawback, you should have coding knowledge if you want to make changes in the output. So you have to have some coding knowledge. Like our output comes in the rupee format in rupee. If we want it should come in dollar format, then we need to change the codes. So if you want to change, if you want to do, or you want your output come in dollar or euro, then you need to change the codes. Or we have saved that workbook as a micro enabled. Let's talk about the other method where we will use add-ins to accomplish this task. uh, for this you need to download the file. The link is in description. So when you download the file, just copy it and press and hold the window key and then press R key in on the keyboard. It will open a run prompt. Type %data % without space and press enter. A window will appear. Go to roaming folder. If you are already in it, then select Microsoft folder in this and then select add-ins folder and paste your downloaded file here in the add-ins folder and close the add-ins folder. Now go to your Microsoft Excel workbook. Select file on the top left corner and choose option. This pop-up window will appear. In this pop-up window, find add-ins down there and select it. You can find numbers to words in active application add-ins. Below all that you have an option of manage down here, a drop down list along with it. In this drop down list we will select Excel add-ins and then press go button. Another small pop-up window will appear like this. Here we will select the numbers to words and then press OK. Now we will go back to our desired workbook where we will convert the number value into words by typing spell number and the cell which have the number value and press enter. So it convert our number value into word. You don't have to add modules for every single workbook like you did in the VBA section, VBA script section. Till you have the add-ins file in the add-ins folder, and you don't have to specify any module for the workbooks. By using these two simple methods, you can get your job done. If you will make any changes to the number or amount, then the word value will automatically get updated. You don't have to type manually every time you change the number value or make changes in the sheet. Just wait, we are not done here. I have something else to say. Everything has its advantage and disadvantages, so the limitations. The limitation of these methods are: first one, you can only convert numeric value up to 99 crore 99 lakh 99,999. About this number you can't convert. So The second problem is if you share your workbook with the other person, if they don't have these add-ins installed or have not enabled the macro in their workbook, or and they try to open the workbook, then it might show a error, name error. So these are some limitations of this methods. So what's the solution of this problem? We also have the solution of this problem. What you need to do is just subscribe the channel and share this video to that person and help that person setting up their Excel workbook, so the person won't call you and bother you by asking that why the Excel workbook showing some error, and you find yourself explaining the whole story or might tell him over the phone or chat to get the things done. Better share this video with them too, and thanks for watching.